Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 17 November 2021. So, let discuss what we have done in the previous video. In the previous video, student, we have completed the long question answer of the chapter number 14, that is means of transport. Is it clear? In the previous video we have completed long question answer, that is the question number E. Give any three reasons why we need to travel. Which is the most common means of transport used in India? Why? And third question, how large quantity of goods transported to other countries? So in the previous video we have completed chapter number 14. So in the today video, student, we will start a new chapter. That name of the chapter is means of communication. Okay, student. So what are the learning objective of this chapter? After studying this chapter, what are the things that we are going to understand in this chapter? That is, first learning objective is what is communication. What is communication? Second, what are the means of communication? Next, difference between personal and mass communication. Okay, so these are the learning objectives of the chapter. That is, name of the chapter is means of communication. What is communication? What are the means of communication? And difference between personal and mass communication. Okay, so let start this chapter with a little discussion with you, student. Now what you all are doing? You all are watching my video. Is it clear? So you are watching my video, that is class 3 EVS video of chapter means of communication, and you are watching, and at the same time what I am explaining you are listening with their ears. So this is also a mean of communication. Okay, you are watching my video and at the same time you are listening also what I am speaking. So this is also a simple example of mean of communication. So every day we talk to number of people. Okay, now you all are coming to school, you talk to your friends, or when you go home you talk to your neighbors. or you talk to your parents or different family members. So what we do at that time, okay, or when you are coming to the school, maybe you talk to your friends, you talk to your relatives, and sometimes you talk to some strangers also. stranger means the person which you don't know. ठीक है, कभी कभी होता है ना, मार्केट जा रहे हैं, कभी आप पेरेंट्स के संग भी जाते हो, अगर होता है नई जगह पे गए हैं फर्स्ट टाइम and we are unable to find something, then we ask or we forget the where we have to go, so we ask other that please tell us this address. तो ऐसे में कभी कभी हम लोग स्ट्रेंजर से भी टॉक करते हैं, ठीक है. सो डेली वी टॉक टू आवर फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स और स्ट्रेंजर्स. सो व्हाट वी डू, ठीक है, ओके. सो स्टूडेंट, व्हेन वी स्पीक और लिसन, क्योंकि होता क्या है, आप दो फ्रेंड्स हो, बाय चांस आप दो फ्रेंड्स हो, यू से समथिंग टू your friend listen you, and then after your friend also reply to you. Is it clear? So, and another way is that read or write to someone. For example, if you have written something in the paper and given to your friend, so he will read and then he will reply to you. He will also write, and in this manner he will reply to you. So what does mean? It means this is the way or this is the method how which we are communicating with the different people. Is it clear? So ये एक मेथड है, इसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक है, when we talk to someone or when someone speak we listen to him, or when we read or when we write, so all these methods are known as means of communication. ये सारे क्या है, means of communication है. Is it clear? So that is what in the learning objective first point is given, what is a communication. So after that we discuss the different ways in which we can communicate. ठीक है, so that is we discuss the different ways in which we can communicate with the other persons. So what is the way we speak, listen, read or write to someone? In this way we can communicate with the other persons. Okay, so this is known as communication. So and when we communicate with someone, अगर हम किसी से communicate कर रहे हैं, तो what benefit is of this? That is we share our, जब हम किसी से कुछ communicate कर रहे हैं, तो what does it mean? It means we share our thoughts and we share our thoughts and feelings. We share our thoughts and feelings through communication. Is it clear? We share our thoughts and feelings through communication, and for this we can use different method to communicate with each other. ठीक है, so what is, we share our thoughts and feeling through communication, and there are different methods by which we can communicate with others. जैसे अभी हमने डिस्कस किया ना if I am speaking, my friend is listening, then he speak, I listen, और if I read, ठीक है, जैसे आप मान लो घर आए, ठीक है, आपके घर में आपको किसी ने आपके स्कूल में, या तो कभी कभी होता है ना कि आप जो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ नो वन इज इन योर हाउस, आपके घर में आपकी मम्मी को कहीं जाना हो, तो हो सकता है वो एक कागज पे लिख दें कि वो कहाँ गई हैं, तो आप उसको रीड करोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ना आपकी मम्मी कहाँ गई हैं. सो दीज आर द देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथड ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग विद ईच अदर. या तो हम लोग स्पीक और लिसनिंग मेथड से, by talking to each other, this is also the way of communicate, or we read or write, this is also the mean of communication with each other. And there are many different methods by which can we communicate with each other, that we will discuss in this chapter in very detail. Okay, step wise हम लोग one by one we will able to understand all the things, क्योंकि there are different methods by which we can communicate, एक दूसरे के टच में हम रह सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो बहुत से मेथड हैं इसके, तो वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. सो व्हाट इज मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन? इफ इट आस्क इन द एग्जामिनेशन, so you can write so if someone asks you what is means of communication, then you can write methods of sending, method of sending and receiving method of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. Okay, method of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. तो सबसे पहली बात, आप द थिंग जो विच यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, आपको ये समझ लेना है बेटा, मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स many times we talk to our friend, relatives or any stranger. Okay, so in this method what we are doing, we are speaking and that person is listening, and when that person is speaking you are listening. So this is also the mean of communication. ठीक है, if in the class if I say you all of you stand up, so all of you will stand. Okay, it means you listen my instruction with their ear and you all stand. Okay, so this is what, this is mean of communication. And this, there are many methods by which we can communicate with each other. So that methods we will discuss in this chapter. So now we will start from the old time. Okay, we will not talk about the present time, how what are the different methods of communication. अभी हम present time की बात नहीं करेंगे, जो present time means इस present time की हम बात नहीं करेंगे अभी, कि in present time how we communicate with each other. ठीक है, firstly we will start from the old time what are the methods by which the people communicate with each other in the old time. So now if you are talking about the ancient time, अगर हम एंशियंट टाइम की बात करें, बहुत पुराने समय, एंशियंट मतलब बहुत पुराना, so in the ancient time means in the old time, how the people communicate with each other. So how they communicate, people sent messages. How they communicate with each other, people send messages through drum beats. Through drum beats, pigeon, or messengers. Or smoke. So in the ancient time, people sent messages. How they sent messages to each other? By drum beats. Okay. अगर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन होती थी, कोई डेंजरस सिचुएशन होती थी, तो वो लोग अदर पीपल्स को अलर्ट करने के लिए क्या करते थे? दे बीट द ड्रम्स. पिजन्स, जो कबूतर को बोलते हैं, एज यू नो. सो in the old time, pigeons are also trained to send the messages. ठीक है, उनको भी ट्रेन किया जाता था टू सेंड द मैसेजेस. और मैसेंजर्स और स्मोक. सो मैसेंजर्स, दिस work is done by the people. So at the old time, when the human beings learn how to tame the animals, ओल्ड टाइम में जब ह्यूमन बींग्स को एनिमल को टेम करना आ गया, देन ही यूज दैट एनिमल्स टू कैरी द हैवी लोड्स आल्सो, एंड एट द सेम टाइम दे सिट ऑन द बैक ऑफ दीज एनिमल्स एंड मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो इन द ओल्ड टाइम, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द टाइम व्हेन इट इज द टाइम ऑफ जब किंग लोग होते थे, राजा लोग होते थे, बहुत ओल्ड टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं. तो if they want to send a message to the different king, so they can use the messengers. So messengers use the animals also to move from one place to another. Okay, and another method of sending the message is also by burning. Okay, because by burning the dry leaves or dry grass or some wood, due to this what happen, the smoke is produced, धुआं निकलता है ना बेटा, smoke. So this is the also method to send a message to each other in the old time. So these are the method which are followed by the people in the older time. ठीक है. So ancient time, that is the reason ancient time means I am talking about the older time, बहुत पास्ट की हम बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. आज प्रेजेंट टाइम में तो अभी जो मैंने आप लोग से डिस्कस किया है ना, देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर. प्रेजेंट टाइम में तो बहुत से मेथड हैं कम्युनिकेट करने के, लेकिन एंशियंट टाइम व्हेन साइंस हैज नॉट सो मच डिस्कवरीज नहीं हुई थी और साइंस इतनी एडवांस नहीं थी, टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट टाइम. Okay, what are the ways by which we can communicate each other? Thank you.